Hey everybody, how we doing? Dave, one half of Shenanigans with D&D. So, if you own a Dodge Ram 2500, 2020 is the year. If you think you can hear something like rolling back and forth under you, like acorns, and if you have not been able to find it, I think I have solved the mystery. All these acorns came out of that vent right down in here. For whatever, I don't know how they managed to get up and in. I looked underneath. I did find a spot with some tape. The tape had kind of lifted. So I re-put the tape down, went for the ride, started hearing more because it started just as one. I could hear one singular acorn roll back and forth for about a week. And then today I got cut off, I hit the brakes hard, and I heard multiple acorns rolling. So I was like, oh no, this has got to get fixed. So I had all those acorns again. All these were down in here. So if that helps, I just used a plastic puller kit and just pulled from the bottom. Hopefully it goes back in as easily as it popped out. Didn't look like or sound like I broke anything, but hopefully this is helpful to somebody else out there in the world. I know this was driving me nuts. So you guys know what to do. Until next time, keep up the shenanigans.